My name is Brighton. Please, if this is your first occasion of visiting my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like my video. Today, I want to guide us on how to append signature without a signature line to an MS document. For us to be able to append a signature to an MS document, first we need to remove the background of the image. That's the signature that we intend to use. So here I have a signature that I scanned earlier, and here's the signature. And if we preview, we can see that it comes with a white background. So right now I want to remove this white background. And for me to be able to eliminate the white background, there is a free tool that is available on the internet, which is remove.bg. So if you come to remove.bg, so we can upload the image on this platform, and it will automatically eliminate the background of the image for us. So you may use your phone to snap the signature, or you use a scanner to scan it, depending on the quality that you need. So here we have upload image, and I'm going to head over to select my image file. So the system has been able to eliminate the background for me. So I will now proceed to download the image file. So it's now downloaded to my system. And I have to head over to the MS Word and then insert the signature. So here we have a random text, and I want to append a signature to these two fields that we have here, one for Dr. Peter Chan and one for Engineer James Stone. So I'm just going to use the same signature, but here to append the signature, I need to head over to Insert and then Pictures, and I have to select this device, and then I have scan. Okay, this is the file starting with scan and then a random number. So I have an excess background here, so I want to crop it out. So all I need to do is use the crop tool and then crop it out like so. So depending, you may not necessarily have to crop yours, but if there is an excessive space, feel free to crop it out. And I'm going to duplicate the signature by doing Control D can duplicate the signature for me. And right now I cannot drag this image for it to move the way I want. And if I do, it's going to always split the text. And I don't want to put it in the body of the work. That's the main content. So all I need to do is maybe click on this icon that is here, or I click on the image that I want to modify and head over to picture format. And here we have wrap text. So the functionalities that we have here are the same that appears here. It's just that these ones are shortened to icons, whereas this one comes with text. But if we look at the icons, it's the same. So here I want to use top and bottom here. And for this one, the second one, okay, the second image. So this is top and bottom, so I need to drag it up. Okay, let me use move with text, has a set here, and also to use true. Let's go with true. True can make you move the signature, or your text is not necessarily a signature that you can use with this command. So it can enable you move your image in the document, and it's going to split the text and attach itself to that space without breaking or maybe looking for an empty line to attach itself. So you can explore some of these commands to see how it works. So I'm going to choose that, and I'm equally going to choose through on this one. So all I need to do is adjust it up and also give it enough space so that the signature can attach itself. So here we are, we've been able to append a signature. In some cases, you may want your signature to slightly touch the text. So if you want it to touch the text, you may head over to picture format, or you simply click on this icon and then you say behind text. So this one is behind text, this icon is behind text. If you are doing it here, you can easily see a format too that says behind text, and you check it. And when that is done, you can easily drop your signature, and it will not affect the text. It will not scatter the text. But I think we should use in front of text, because mostly when you sign a signature, it's likely going to be in front of the text. So we can do same to this side, in front of text, and it can appear this way. But you may not necessarily want your signature to touch the name of the person that is signing the document. So this is how you can append a signature to your MS document without using a signature line. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.